Well, this is a very small update on the 105, but I did want to do a video of this, anywho. I actually got some new bolts with lock nuts and washers on either end for the hood. Had one come loose, and the other one just wasn't quite long enough. Luckily, my second cousin owns a hardware store down the building supply store, should I say, down the road, and they really go out of their way to help me out. It's more of a store for people who are, contractors, plumbers, house remodelers. Luckily, they help my idiotic self out when I come in there. I feel like I'm the only person that doesn't own a contracting business or whatever in there, but they do a phenomenal job and hooked me up with the proper hardware that I need, and hood works flawlessly now. I do want some opinions real quick. It's not 100% certain I'm keeping this tractor just due to some things happening. I would like to. I'm not going to lie, I'd like to, but we'll see. If I do decide to keep this tractor, I'm thinking of not repainting the rest of the tractor, because the paint, it's hard to see, but it's hard to get a good angle, but it looks pretty darn good, besides the hood. So, I'm thinking of taking this hood off, sanding it with a sandblaster, and hitting this with IH white, and then slapping the proper decals on this, and I think that will offset this tractor big time. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm really, 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 really considering it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely considering it, so